Hello friends, in this video I am talking about the common false alarm and the trip issue in the chillers. Okay, those friends, chiller have a built-in the safety mechanism to prevent damage and ensure the efficient operation. Here are the some of the most common false alarm and the trip issue. So let's get started and see the full information. Do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, encountered in centrifugal chiller and screw chiller. First is high pressure trip. Discharge condenser pressure high. Cause is the dirty or the blockage condenser coil. Insufficient cooling water flow. Low condenser water flow. Okay. Next is high temperature, high ambient temperature. Overcharged refrigerants, and let's see the solution of this problem. First is clean the condenser coil regularly. Check the cooling water pumps and ensure proper flow rates. Okay, and monitor the refrigerant change levels. Next, second problem is low pressure trip. Evaporator pressure low. This is the problem. What is the cause of this problem? Let's see the first is cause. First cause is low refrigerant charge. Yeah, refrigerant leakage, low evaporated water flow, and next dirty or the clogged evaporator tubes, low cooling loads. And let's see the solution of this problem. Okay, solution is inspect for the refrigerant leak and the refill if needed. Okay, refrigerant low, you can refill. Clean evaporator tubes and strainers. Maintain proper chilled water flow rates. Okay, let's see the next problem. Next problem is chilled water flow loss or flow switch trip. This is the problem, chilled water flow loss, yeah, flow switch trip. Let's see the cause of this problem. Cause is pump failure or the low water flow. Second is blocked filter or strainer and air in the system. Let's see the solution of this problem. Solution is ensure the pump are the working properly, clean strainers and the air bleed the systems. Okay, let's see the next fourth problem. Oil pressure low, oil level low for the lubricant compressor. Let's see the cause of this problem. First cause is oil level in the compressor, low oil level in the compressor, faulty oil pump or the oil separator, and dirty oil filter. Okay, and next is refrigerant migration, diluting the oil. Okay, diluting the oil. Let's see the solution of this problem. First is check and refill the oil as per the manufacturer guidelines. Second is replace clogged oil filter. Okay, next is inspect oil return system. Okay, fifth is compressor overload, motor overload tripping issue. Fifth is compressor overload, motor overcurrent trip. Let's see the cause of this problem. First is high refrigerant pressure. Second is electrical supply issue, voltage imbalance. Okay, and next is locked rotor or excessive load VSD or starter failure. Let's see the solution of this problem. First solution is check refrigerant charge and the pressure, inspect the electrical connection and the power supply. Okay, and second is reset and monitor the compressor. Let's see the current row is current row. Okay, let's see the next problem. 6 is low section pressure and a trip. Let's see the cause of this problem, low section pressure or trip. First is refrigerant leak or the undercharging blocked expansion valve. Okay, second is low cooling load. Okay, let's see the solution of this cause. First is check for the leakage and the replace refrigerant, clean and replace expansion valve. Okay, let's see the next problem. Problem number 7 is refrigerant high and low temperature. Let's see the low temperature alarm, refrigerant high, yeah, low temperature alarm. Let's see the cause of this problem. First is incorrect refrigerant charge, expansion valve issue, improper water flow rates. Let's see the solution of these problems. First solution is adjust refrigerant charge and the expansion valve settings. Okay, second is verify chilled condenser water flow rates. Okay, let's see the next problem. Problem number 8, VST fault inverter trip for the VST and chillers. Let's see the cause of this problem. First cause is high input current or the voltage fluctuation, overheating of the drive. Okay, faulty VST components. Okay, that's the solution of this problem. First solution is check power supply stability. Second is ensure the proper ventilation for the VST panels. Okay, and next is reset and monitor the VST performance. Finally, let's the final thoughts. Final thoughts is regular maintenance, monitoring the sensor readings, and the most important is early troubleshooting can have the prevent chiller trip issue. Okay, and alarms. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.